Welcome students for this discussion session on bioinstrumentation. Bioinstrumentation is the new and upcoming field in biotechnology which concentrate on the development in technologies for the measurement and manipulation of parameters with the biological system for the diagnosis and treatment of various diseases. In this course, we will get a knowledge about the working principles, instrumentation and applications of the instruments often used in the studies related to biological sciences. At first, we seen about the weighing balance, which is used to measure the weight of the chemicals. pH meter is used to detect the power of hydrogen ion concentration in the given solution. In the other word, this instrument measures acidity, alkalinity of a solution, the degree of hydrogen ion activity in ultimately expressed as pH level, which generally ranges from 1 to 14. Polarography is an electrochemical method of analysis based on the measurement of current flow resulting from the electrolysis of a solution at a polarizable microelectrode as a function of applied voltage. And then radioactivity is the phenomena of the spontaneous disintegration of unstable atomic nuclei to atomic nuclei. Electrocardiogram, which is used to know the heart function and dysfunction. An electrocardiogram is called as ECG, is a simple test that can be used to check our heart rhythm and electrical activity. Sensors attached to the skins are used to detect the electrical signals produced by your heart each time it beats. And Fourier transmission infrared spectroscopy technique, which is called as FTIR, also included in it. In this technique, each functional group has its own discrete vibrational energy and which can be used to identify a molecule through a combination of all the functional groups. This makes FTIR ideal for sample and particle analysis. Microscope is a laboratory instrument used to examine objects that are too small to be seen by naked eyes. Some microscopes can even be used to observe an object that at the cellular level, allowing scientists to see the shape of a cell, its nucleus, mitochondria and other organelles. From this, we emphasize about the spectroscopic technique. It includes colorimeter, which is used to measure the concentration of a solution using optical density. Like that, spectrometer is a scientific instrument used to analyze the light properties of a luminous object or reflected light. The instrument measures the properties of light over a specific section of electromagnetic spectrum. UV spectrometer is a quantitative technique used to measure how much a chemical substance absorbs light, and some other type of spectroscopic techniques also included in it. Separation technique and electrophoresis also comprise in this paper. Under separation technique, we will get a clear familiarity about centrifugation, which means particles are separated depending on its molecular weight. A centrifuge works by using the principle of sedimentation. Under the influence of gravitational force, substances separated according to the density. Chromatography is based on the principle where molecule in mixture applied onto the surface or into the solid and fluid stationary phase is separating from each other while moving with the aid of mobile phase. And in the electrophoresis, charged molecules are placed in the electric field, move towards the negative or positive pole based on their charge. Nucleic acid has a negative charge and therefore it migrates toward the anode. We will know about the various types of electrophoresis such as zone electrophoresis, like that. At last, we can discuss about the most emerging technique, polymerase chain reaction, which is shortly called as PCR, which is based on the enzymatic replication of DNA, which is used to produce multiple copies of DNA fragment from an extract. The PCR process has 4 steps like collections, preparation, amplification and post-PCR cleanup. Thank you.